This is data as you download it from AQS. You can see that there are several confusing things about it. One, it seems to have two header rows, and the other is that the delimiters are these vertical lines called pipes. To make sense of this, open Excel and import this data. In this Excel 2007, I go to Data, and you need to find this in whatever version of Office, therefore Excel, that you have. Go to Data, Get External Data, and then From Text. In older versions of Excel, this was importing, and you can see that that command from Data, Get External Data, Text opens up the same wizard that was used in Excel 2003, which is the Import Text File wizard. So now we need to find where we put that file that we downloaded from AQS that looks like this. What we did is we let AQS put the file where it wanted to, and that was in my Downloads folder, and that may be the same on your computer. And because this is an Import Text wizard, it is finding only the text files that are in my Downloads folder, and this is this most recent one. So I'm going to click on that to select it, say import, and then it takes me through a series of steps. These are delimited because we have these pipes as delimiters, so we're going to leave that there. We're going to leave Start Import at row 1, and we're going to click Next. And at this panel, it asks you, okay, what are the delimiters? It's not a tab, semicolon, comma, or space. It's other, so check other. And then you need to find the pipe on your keyboard, which on mine is the key that's above the Enter key. You access it by clicking Shift and then that slash button, which is above your Enter key, and click that. And then it says, oh, okay, a pipe. So that must be where you want to separate the columns, and it goes through and separates them in the right places because you have specified a pipe here. You click Next, and now the only tricky thing left to do for importing this is the date. You can see that there are the various columns, and one of them is the date. The Import Text Wizard dialog has an option for date. If you click that and aren't careful now, you can have some problems because you notice this is month, day, year. And if you look at this column, it is formatted year, month, day. So click this drop-down box to navigate to year, month, day. So now Excel knows that that's a date column and which comes first, the month, date, or year. That's all you need to do. Now you say finish, and now it asks you, do you want to import it in A1? You say okay, and it imports it. And now the last thing I do is I always delete this row 2, and I do that by clicking that second row and then clicking home and then delete. If you want to just leave that row, you can, but I like to delete it because it's the top row that actually are the headers that I'm interested in. Then once I've got the top row selected, I always do everything with Excel's filter because it's so useful. If I click the drop-down box next to parameter, you can see that this file includes both ozone and PM because you've got these two different codes here that are options. If I say OK here, and you can see what the other columns are. We've got date, which is formatted correctly because we specified it correctly, start time, and here's the sample value. You can see that continuing on, there are null data codes. If you click the drop-down box, you can see that there are data that have been invalidated, and the null value codes are here. I'm going to say cancel. And there are also other columns including comments and qualifiers that could be in this file. So that's how you import data from AQS into Excel.